Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our last paycheck in May and going over our first paycheck in June. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So family, before I get started, let me give a disclaimer. If you hear lightning and thunder, it's raining over here today, and I did not realize it was going to rain today. I did not have enough time to do the video yesterday, so I'm doing it today, so excuse all the noise. So in our paycheck from May the 31st to June the 6th, in our expense category, we budgeted $960 for our mortgage, $210 for our utilities, $48 for our gym fee, and $12 for Kindle Unlimited. That came up to $1,230. In our actual category, we paid $960 on our mortgage, $210 on our utilities, $48 on our gym fee, and $12 on Kindle Unlimited. That came up to $1,230. In our extras, we budgeted $100 for our backup fund and $170 for my sugaring appointment. That came up to $270. And in our actual category, we put $100 in our backup fund and $170 in our sugaring appointment. That came up to $270. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $140 for our savings challenges, and $40 for our extra backup funds. That came up to $1,285. In our actual category, we spent $730 in our cash envelopes, which was an overage of $200, and I will explain that at the end. $575 in our sinking funds, $140 in our challenges, and $40 in our extra backup funds. That came up to $1,485, which was an overage of $200. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $1,230, minus the extras of $270, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the challenges of $140, and minus the extra backup funds of $40. That left a remainder of $76.45. In our actual category, our income was $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $1,230, minus the extras of $270, minus the cash envelopes of $730, which was an overage of $200, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the challenges of $140, and minus the extra backup funds of $40. That put us in a negative of $123.55, which put us in the negative $200. For our paycheck from June the 7th through the 13th, in our expense category, we budgeted $165.51 for our car insurance, $71.40 for our Google Fiber, and $16.15 for Audible. That came up to $253.06. In our extras, we budgeted $50 for backup funds and $300 for our anniversary trip, which we will be taking on the 14th. Our anniversary is the 14th. That comes up to a total of $350. We budgeted $490 in our cash envelopes, $350 in our sinking fund, $60 in our challenges, and $20 in our extra backup funds. That came up to $920. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $253.06, minus the extras of $350, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $60, and minus the extra backup funds of $20. That left us with a remainder of $49.26, which stayed in the bank. So fam, as you've seen, we were over $200 in our cash envelopes, and that is because my son and 3 of my grandkids came in town last week. I ended up hosting them. That was a last minute decision. My son didn't decide where he was going to stay, so at the last minute he decided that he was going to stay with me, which meant I had to go and get extra groceries and different things like that. Now, I was out of more money than that, but I took it out of my pocket money because we did take the grandkids to Main Event so that they can have a little bit of fun because it rained the whole time that they were here. The $200 was for the extra groceries that we needed. And I am trying to get my videos edited and pre-scheduled because on the 14th, that's our 21st anniversary, we will be leaving, going to Panama Beach that weekend. We weren't going to do anything, but we decided at the last minute we were going to do something. So we're going to Panama. I don't want to do any videos or editing that weekend. So I'm trying to get everything done before I get there. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. I'd love to have you. I want to get my subscribers up to 1,400 by the end of the month. That may be pushing it a little bit, but who cares? So share my video so that people will see it and come by and check me out. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.